Our homes are extensions of who we are. New beginnings, first steps, moments lasting in time. We build our dreams, fashion our ambitions, and overcome our struggles through experiences with the world around us. And then we come home, where our dreams are encouraged to thrive, ambitions given room to grow, and challenges overcome. Where an idea becomes a mission, hope becomes belief, and what was once unattainable finally reaches our grasp. For all the birthday wishes, Friday nights, and newfound friends, we'll be there. Window World, America's exterior remodeler. Improving homes, changing lives.